Hey everybody, if you're like us and you have a tankless water heater, then you have a secret killer that's going through that water heater, and that secret killer is scale. It comes into the water supply. This is the heat exchanger that's in our Renee water heater here, and we've got to keep that as clean as possible. So plumbers tell us, hey, make sure you descale your water filter once a year to keep the heat exchanger clean. Well, that's all great, but there's something that the plumbers haven't told us. You can actually stop that scale before it gets to your heat exchanger, and this is how you do it. And we've never seen this installed on a tankless water system before. This is a Nuvo H2O descale system that goes in on the cold water supply of your tankless hot water heater, and it actually wraps around the molecule, the scale molecules, and prevents them from bonding up onto your heat exchanger. If you don't do something like this and you don't maintain these rather expensive tankless water heaters, you're going to have a 4-digit problem. And our 4-digit problem is 3500, because we figured it would cost us over $2,000 to replace this water heater and another $1,500 to have it installed. And we want to avoid this at all costs. And we're just amazed that the plumbers haven't told us that there's more than that you can do rather than just running a descale program and flushing out your water heater every year. And that is to install a filter that puts in a mineral that stops the scale before it starts. Mary here is going to film the actual canister. It's very small. It's just a wall bracket that goes on the wall, and it's just this little guy here. And the filter just literally screws right on top of that. We replace it every 3 months, and it makes a big difference in the house. So what we're going to do right now is, this is the actual water filter system cartridge from Nuva Water. We'll put a link in the description. We've popped open the box here, and this is what we're going to replace. It's this guy right here. So we take the tape off the filter, pop the cap. It's got 2 O-rings. So we've already put some towels here. We're going to turn off the water supply. This is the cold water supply coming in. It wraps around through the filter and then up into the water heater. We're going to turn off both valves, and that isolates the water heater. I'm just pushing on the decompression valve up top a little bit. And now all we have to do is lift this little tab and just rotate slightly. We're going to get a little water coming out, but that's okay. That's just part of the game. We're going to take the new one. We're going to run it up inside. And that's it. This descale filter has lasted for 3 months. This is how easy it is to change it out. We'll go ahead and fire up the system, and we are actually working to prevent scale from building up in that heat exchanger we showed you, and it's that simple. And what we don't understand is why nobody ever told us about it. So the biggest thing I'd recommend for you is, if you have one of these things installed, definitely find the owner's manual for it, download it, read it, study it, get used to what you have, because you're not being told. We found that in our owner's manual, once we figured out what it was, we ordered one. It wasn't that expensive. It was probably $100 for the filter assembly. And then these filters are like 30 or 40 bucks a piece. And that's great peace of mind, because as anybody who really maintains a water heater knows, it's going to cost you to have a plumber at least $300 a year to take care of it, on top of the initial cost. So it's expensive to have a tankless water heater. This is something that you can do alone at a fraction of the cost. We clean our heat exchanger every July. We set up our water hoses and our pump, and we do what we need to do with 4 gallons of vinegar. And now, since we've been using this, which has been over a year, we hardly have any scale in our system. We don't see scale like you would see underneath your kitchen aerator. If you take your shower head off in your shower and look up at the shower pipe, that'll give you an indication of what scale is in your house. We have like none of it now. Get one of these Nuva water descale filters and put it ahead of your water system's water supply. You will thank us. This thing is awesome. Thanks for watching. If you got any value out of this, please be sure to like and subscribe, and definitely share with your friends. We'll see you in the next video. Thanks.